Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make money. First, identify your unique skills and how they can solve problems for others. Consider what services or products you can offer that are in demand. Next, research your target audience to understand their needs and preferences. This foundational step is crucial for building a successful venture, whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, or content creation. Focus on providing genuine value to achieve financial growth. Many individuals find success by leveraging digital skills. For instance, you could offer freelance writing services, charging $50 to $100 per article. Graphic designers might earn hundreds for a logo design. Creating and selling an online course on a specific topic can generate passive income over time. Think about your unique knowledge and how you can package it into a valuable product or service for a global audience. Building passive income streams is key to long-term financial freedom. Consider investing in assets that generate income without constant effort, such as real estate or dividend stocks. For example, a property could yield several $100s in rental income monthly. Developing a successful mobile app might bring in thousands of dollars through subscriptions. The goal is to set up systems that continue to earn money even while you are not actively working. To ensure sustained financial growth, continuous learning is paramount. The digital landscape evolves rapidly, so staying updated on new tools and strategies is vital. Network with like-minded individuals to find new opportunities and gain insights. Reinvesting profits, perhaps 20 to 30%, back into your ventures can accelerate expansion. Remember, consistent effort and strategic planning are far more effective than quick schemes for building lasting wealth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.